So here's what comes in the packet. Obviously the star of the show is this little travel sized vacuum. So it comes with a USB-C charger, so I have it all charged up. You can see the battery indicator here, and I'll turn it on. You can hear the sound level on it. It's just such a handy size because this is very easy to do before you leave on a trip, but when you're on the trip thinking about coming home, the clothes that you're packing down to the smallest possible size when you're on the way home, when you're not excited about your trip anymore, and you just need the space because you might have bought things on your trip. You got the vacuum and then 3 different size bags. The small, which is good for socks, underwear, those sorts of things. The medium, which is, a lot of the clothes you're gonna take, but then the large also for pants, for bulky sweaters, for bulky sweatshirts, that kind of thing. So a good mix of things. You've got 4 each of these 12 total bags. And then the other thing that comes in the box along with the vacuum is this little pack of clips, which I find are not necessary because the bags hold so well. But you have these if you need them, if you just want a little extra security when you're sucking the air out of the bag and you want it to just stay that way and be completely confident in the closure of the bag. 5 extra large t-shirts stacked up here, so I like to push them as close to the bottom of the bag as possible and just sort of smooth it down. And so this is the equivalent of a sandwich bag that's got the zips on it. So I'm just running my thumbs over to make sure I really got this sealed the whole way and completely. Definitely feels like I do. And so, obviously there's plenty of air in this. So I'll take my travel size vacuum cleaner, and here's the little suction spot. Just has a little bit of a cover on it, so I'm just covering this up completely, pressing down with the travel sized vacuum. Then I'll hit power. And you can see immediately, wasting no time to get this bag to a much more manageable size. So I'm not even sure I had that on there. 10 seconds. I have the equivalent of a lid for a milk jug. I'll just screw that on there tightly to, again, make sure that that access point is sealed. This is sealed. And then I just wrap this under, and I've got a much more compact pile of t-shirts for me to be able to put in my suitcase and have plenty of extra room. So here's the one that makes, I think, the biggest visual difference. So I've got a big, puffy hoodie sweatshirt that takes up a gargantuan amount of room in my suitcase. I love to take them in places that I'm traveling when it's chilly especially, but it is a huge pain to have so much of my suitcase taken up with this big bag. So I'll put it in, try to get it flattened out as much as I can. So I'll just run my thumb over it, making sure that both of the ledges are firmly just in the place where they need to be in the bag. Just do a double check here, and so we're completely closed. And then this area here, I just almost has like a milk jug lid on it. I screw that off, take the portable vacuum, press it down so I make sure that it's down completely around the little circle, turn it on. And this is where you can really see some serious compression happening and this sweatshirt really shrinking down, which is the goal. Making sure I'm getting as many of the crevices out of as I can. And about 10 seconds time, I had really shrunk this sweatshirt down considerably. Just lift that off and put this little milk jug cap, screw that on tightly so that any other place where the air can access is closed up. And I have saved a ton of room in my suitcase just with that. So I can show you what it looks like when you open it up. There's no popping, no big like jar opening or anything like that. I'm just opening the bag, a little air comes in, and voila, your sweatshirt comes right out and is ready to roll and ready to pack up again when it's time to go home. This little vacuum, toss it right in the suitcase. It's a little dainty thing. There's nothing I had to do except charge it up a little bit once I got it out of the bag. Totally ready to go. Has a battery indicator on there. You can see the lights light up. And this is just meant to be very easy to put in your suitcase and take along. I will say, however, you can use, if you have a vacuum that has an attachment on it that will go around the circle too, you can obviously use that. If you're traveling somewhere and you know that's available to you, then don't even worry about taking the portable one with you. But why wouldn't you? It's so small, it's so compact. It doesn't hardly take any time to charge whatsoever, and the cord comes along with it. It's just got a USB-C port that you plug in with it, and it charges in no time at all. I hope that your suitcase packing is made so much more simple by having the options of these 12 bags that come with this and this super easy to use little vacuum. The seal stays strong in these. I don't have any problem that, you know, I do it and then by the time I'm putting it in my suitcase, it's come open and I have to do it again. I've never had that happen. The seal, as long as I make sure that this is completely closed, the seal works great in this and stays completely sealed until I want to go ahead and open it up again. This has made packing so much more easy for me. I make sure that when I pack, I toss this vacuum in because I want to be able to do the same thing when I'm ready to come home and compress those bags down even more. This has worked great for me, and I would recommend.